Hello and welcome to BCR. Let's get your trading day started with the following financial news and market headlines.
On Tuesday, despite the weak labor market data released by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the U.S. dollar index managed a slight increase. Driven by the weak ISM manufacturing PMI data for May, the previously bearish market sentiment appeared to stabilize. Nonetheless, the market remains concerned about the weakness in the U.S. economy, which may prompt the Fed to cut rates sooner. At the start of the week, data from the ISM was the largest driver behind the dollar softening, with the dollar falling just above 104.00. Employment figures even showed further contraction, potentially indicating that this week's U.S. employment report and non-farm payroll data could turn out worse. On Tuesday, gold prices continued their decline, dropping below $2,315 and erasing Monday's gains. Despite U.S. Treasury yields struggling to gain traction, the strengthening dollar amid worsening market sentiment dragged down gold prices. In the Asian session on Tuesday, gold prices fluctuated narrowly, struggling to continue the strong rebound from the three-week low of $2,315 to $2,314 to around $2,350 earlier in the day. Meanwhile, as expectations that the Fed will cut rates later this year continue to strengthen, bullish traders seem to be tilting. The U.S. macroeconomic data released on Monday confirmed these expectations, indicating slowing manufacturing activity and economic deceleration. On Tuesday, WTI crude oil fell to new lows as the sentiment in the energy market continued to reflect a retreat in risk appetite. OPEC Plus recently announced a gradual phasing out of their voluntary production cuts aimed at boosting global oil prices. WTI crude oil prices continued to decline for the fifth consecutive day, trading at $72.65. The decline in oil prices was due to OPEC Plus announced a plan to gradually end oil production cuts. Higher interest rates have had a negative impact on the U.S. economic outlook and suppressed oil demand. This week, WTI fell to a weekly low of $74.15, causing oil prices to decline and leading to a second consecutive month of decline.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news